Hey guys, it's Robert at LMH Capital Mortgage, and I'm going to show you a real quick strategy here on what an actual cup of coffee can do for your mortgage. And when I say that, what I mean is how much is that cup of coffee actually going to cost you? And if you skipped a couple days at the coffee store or had lunch, brought your lunch, or didn't go out to lunch, this strategy is just simply a round-up strategy. So I know I like to go to Starbucks like everybody else, and I like to go out to lunch quite a bit. But let's just see here what that can actually do for you as far as paying off your mortgage. So I'm going to assume here a cup of coffee or a trip out to lunch or whatever you do on your as far as spending money every day is costing you about $7. So I know when I go to Starbucks, it's usually more than $7, but let's just assume that it's $7. Let's also go ahead and assume that you have a $375,000 mortgage, a 30-year fix at 4.75%, principal and interest payment just under $2,000. That total finance charge or cost is just under $330,000. So again, that's that kind of scary number on that truth in lending that you actually end up paying for the cost of the property over the life of the loan. That's what you always want to work on, getting paid down sooner. Different strategies, different techniques you can do to pay less for that mortgage. The mortgage, again, is always going to be front-end loaded with interest, so most of your money is going towards interest. So in this case, let's just take that 1956.18 payment and round it up to $2,000. And I'm going to fill you in on a little huge tip here. Set your mortgage up for automatic payment withdrawals. Just set it up so it's automatically taken out of your account. Don't send it off in the mail. I don't know a lot of people that do that anymore. Or pay it online where you have the option there to pay. Just set it up automatically. That's just going to take everything out of your control. If you qualified for 1956.18 payment, a $43, just under $44 roundup probably isn't going to affect your budget too much. I like to say it's a couple cups of coffee or a few lunches. But let's see what that does. That's going to save you just under $18,000. It's going to bring that finance charge cost of that mortgage down to $311,250. So that's pretty big. Whether you go out for a cup of coffee every morning, like I know some people do, or you take a couple lunch breaks here or there, taking some of that out of your day can really help benefit you and pay that mortgage off. So again, if you want some other strategies, give me a call, shoot me an email, and we can work on getting that cost of that mortgage lower for you. Thanks.